Good afternoon. We will now move to our weather update as Tropical Storm Wilma continues to affect parts of the Philippines. To give us the latest details, here's our weather anchor, Alvarez.
We are looking at high tides probably in like 2 hour stops. The Bagyo hasn't landfall yet, but we are preparing. Our team is here investigating what the situation is in here in Tanawan Seashores. We will have more updates later. Good afternoon po, sir. Ano po yung masasabi mo sa sitwasyon ngayon sa pag-prepare natin sa Bagyong Wilma?
Ito kami ngayon na nagbabantay sa lalim ng dagat kasi baka tumaas mamaya, baka sakaling mag-evacuate kami. Yun lang po.
Thank you, sir. Here's a resident from the city of Tanawan. Sir, how can you show the community how to prepare for the Bagyong Wilma?
Yes po, kahapon pa lang naghanda na kami ng emergency kit. May mga flashlight, batteries, pagkain at bottled water. Nag-ikot-ikot din kami ng barangay officials para i-remind kami ng maging alerto. Chine-check din namin ang bubong kasi sabi nila lalakas ang hangin. Yun lang.
Finger and clover, they go together. Finger and clover, my love affair. Ano man ang status mo sa buhay, single or it's complicated, rockstar or diva, lover ng clover. Student or teacher, big time or chill lang, lover ng clover. My clover finger, lahat sisimutin, sarap ay uubusin, lover ng clover. Lahat sisimutin, sarap ay uubusin, lover ng clover. My clover finger.
Simut sarap kasama ang Clover.